Good day guys, being here. So previously we did this exercise 23087. We used a normal stairs and then convert it into a stairs by sketch and then create these two riser. But we had some issue. So for example, one is the line here. It's not showing properly in floor plan. And another issue might be the stairs, although we didn't try. Oh, sorry, the handrail, although we didn't try, but I believe it can be some issue. And also another issue is the we can't use monolithic stairs and the precast. We can only use assembled stairs. So that's another issue. So Summer here has a good point, the handrail, and also how about we just model the first 3 steps as model in place. Yeah, maybe, but it can be tricky because you need to work out the level of each one. Okay, so in today's exercise, we're going to just go through these issues and trying to work out if there's any like a better method, or how can we solve those potential issues. Okay, so let's start. So first, so this is a floor plan of just empty project, and then let's just redo this stairs first. Okay, so let's quickly go stairs, and then so I'll just change this one to 270. Good. Okay, so that's just a normal stairs, right? So and then you can select this round and convert. Okay, and then select it again, so edit sketch. So I'm just going to quickly delete this and CC 1 meter, sorry, and then just connect here, go up. So it will be a riser, so go up to 70, down to here. I'll just press shift, and so I can just align with that line. Oh, interesting, it's automatically trimmed. So that's not what we need. I'll just split it, SL split, and then just go down. Okay, so riser again, so go this up to 70 again, go down shift. I'll just so here, and then come down here. So now I just need to drag this to center point of hang on, maybe let's trim this one first. Trim this and add a riser here, so I can just drag this to the midpoint here, and then go finish this stair path. And also for this bit we need to use boundary line. So all good, trim, yeah, so you can see boundary here, and all riser, right? So all good, looks good, finish. And then this is what we have last time, so go to 3D view. I'm just going to so you can see this time I'm not going to delete this handrail, but you can see the issue we have here. So it only stop here, so exactly where the first riser is. So how can we fix this? So let's try. So edit path. So you can see the sketch of this handrail only start from here. If I drag this one along with this riser and finish, so you will see we have this issue. It won't stay with the upper treads. It will be placed on the floor and then start from here. So see if we can pick new holes. Don't work. So it looks like we can't. This is the issue we will have if we do it this way. So to fix this, I think we can. So I'm going to I'll just leave it here. Okay, I'll just copy everything to here. So and then I'll try to fix this issue. So to fix this one, we have to adjust these steps. So let's go to floor plan. Which one? sorry, this one. Yeah. So we have to adjust here. So see, so this is a raw. It need to be separate from between this and this. Okay, so let's go edit sketch. So what we need to do is just copy this one up for like a small. We just need to have a small gap here. So any gap, maybe I'll just use 20 mil. Okay, so 20 mil, and then trim. Okay, trim, and this one not trim but drag it back. So we create this gap between the threads here and here, right? So now if I finish this one, so let's have a look in 3D view. So finish it. Should be which one? This one. Yeah. So now you can see it continued down to here, and then if I go edit path, so and then just draw this down, like I'll just type in 20 and go back to along with this riser. I'll just use a line. Yeah, all good, and finish. So you will see it will be placed onto this stairs quite properly. So it's not issue with like one stairs or two stairs. You can do it using only one. Just need to adjust these steps. So these handrails, when you do a sketch of handrail, Revit understands where to place these handrail, right, and the balustrades, right? So okay, so this is one step. So one stairs. So now let's try. How can we do this using like two? So we create this bit first, and then create this. So I don't think it's a good idea to use model in place, but sometimes we have to use model in place if it doesn't work. So for example, I'll copy this one again. Okay, so and also I want to try this monolithic. It doesn't work, right? Of course. And then precast, it doesn't work again. So it must be something not, Revit doesn't like in this like the shape of these stairs, so it won't be able to create precast and normal cast in place stairs. So we will try to explore a little later, but for now we're going to try to create this using two separate stairs or separate rungs. So I'm going to go to floor plan again. So it's this one. So actually, let me just rotate this one. So it match it. So the 3D view matches the floor plan. Okay. So this one, right? So because I want to use this one because the final result should be the same. So okay, in floor plan, I'm going to just draw some detail lines so to help me to know where to start, when to finish. Okay, so here maybe another line here. Okay, so and then I'm going to edit these stairs, and because it's a stairs by sketch, we can just delete this bit. Okay, so delete this bit, and also previously we moved this one, we create this gap. So for this we don't need, so I just drag it down, and then I'll just delete this, and I'll trim this, drag this to here, and I think this will be the first. Oh, sorry, Control Z, first part. So let's finish this one and finish. Let's go to 3D view, so you will see this is it. And also there's a stringer here, so you can just delete them if you want to. So edit stairs. Let me just delete them, so to make it like clearer. Okay, so this is the first part. So I want to try this again. It doesn't work. So it looks like we have issue with this shape, this this shape. Okay, so now, so here is some issue, right? So if we create stairs by sketch, so Revit will automatically use the overall height, which is this, from this level, from ground floor to level 1, and to calculate the number of risers using some settings. Where's the settings? I think where the settings? I think it's maybe here. Here. So using these rules, right? So using these rules, so you can see here. So maximum riser height, minimum trace depth, and also these are very important because usually in building code, there's always something like 2 riser plus 1 depth. So there's a the maximum and minimum value. So so this is how Revit calculates the number of risers for that overall stair height. So we don't need to do the calculation ourselves. So if we have 1 riser, 2 riser, 3 riser, so it will be 3. We're using this actual riser height calculated from the overall height, and then we can continue to do this. So actually we don't even need 2 stairs. We can have 2 separate runs. So this is one run, although it's a stairs by sketch. You can still go edit stairs. So you can see this is stairs by sketch, right? So it's you can edit it, but you can also add another run. The other run can be just a run, so automatic. You can just create it by just drag it from here to here. So now let's do it, and also it will also include the first 1, 2, 3. So when you start from here, it starts from the 4th riser. Okay, so now let's do it. I'm going to use center. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, let's use S2. Okay, so S2. So because we use center, and you pick the midpoint from here. So if we use S2, we just click on here and click on here, and then so you can just drag it to here, this end. It will automatically stop at this point. Okay, so you can see overall same riser number, so 22 as the last one. So you can see it matched the detail lines I just drew. Okay, so let me just finish and go to 3D view, so you can see exactly the same. Okay, so this is just from a run and edit. So the entire stairs is a stair by sketch, but this one, so so the first part, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, I think that's the landing. So it's automatic. So actually, Revit automatically create this landing using these 2. So if you, for example, if you accidentally delete it, right? So you can still go back to landing, and you just need to pick this run and pick this run. So this is it. So for example, if you move this away to here, and then you can do the same thing, landing, and then Revit automatically created this landing for you. Okay, so let me just Control Z, and Control Z, and finish this. Okay, so now let's go to 3D view. So here, let's have a look and see if these yeah, so let's just quickly try the different type. Okay, so it looks like, so you can see this part is okay, but this part is the issue, the part with issues with this type cast in place stairs. So I think yeah, so it's probably not I mean, like we can't really fix this by having 2 stairs. I think, yeah, I think we can probably just create this bit as one stair. But the issue with having 2 stairs, 2 separate stairs, is you need to calculate, or you need to. So let me just quickly show you. If you edit stairs, I'll just delete this part. Okay, so I'll delete this, and also I'll delete this landing. So if we only have this one as 1 stairs, so you don't really know. So you can see there's no actual height here, where the height is. So you probably need to just work out, try to, and also because there's no so you can see this is a what do we call this? Hang on, I'll try to edit type. Yeah, so tread. So you can see there's only riser here. There's no treads there, so you can't even use the spot elevation to find the height, because you need to calculate. Oh, hang on, let's have a look. So that's 50. You need to this full 95 plus 50 is 545. So you need to do the calculation yourself. And then when you do another stair, so if I go to ground floor, if you need another stair, so you need to, manually, not manually, but you need to type in the number. So 5, I can't remember what the number is, 545, is it 545? And then, so yeah, you need to type in a number. So just, and then you start to, I think from here. So this time I'm going to use left. Okay, so left, and then no, still not left, and then so finish this. So and then the issue is, okay, so we can't create a landing here because we don't. Maybe it doesn't work. So and then we probably need to draw this ourselves. Oh hell! So no, it's not right. I need to move this to the left by 270. Okay, so let's try to create a landing ourselves. Okay, so see what happens. Let's go to 3D view. No, not right. So yeah, so you need to change this. So doesn't work. Yeah, how do we do this? Not really sure. So maybe I'll just delete this. Maybe we can add a landing to this part. Edit stairs, add landing, draw from here to, hang on, from here to here. Finish. Yeah, okay, finish. Let's go to 3D view. Okay, so this time we have 2, right? So 2, and also because we have this landing, we can check the level. So 545.5 if you want it to be accurate. So yeah, so this is it. So this is two stairs, 2 separate stairs. But how about so previously so this one we didn't try stairs or try handrail. So let's just place some handrail to it. Okay, so it looks like the same issue. So you can see still this is okay, this one's not. It's the same problem. So let's just do the same adjusting. So let's go to ground floor here. So we just need to I'll just try this one, edit sketch. I'll just move MV up by maybe 20 mil. Okay, so this one go with this one. So I'll just copy this one down, delete this, drag this, and then use a boundary to finish this. Yeah, all closed, finish. So now finish. Let's go to 3D view. Yeah, it works, right? So it works. So as soon as you add a gap between here and here, so it will, so this handrail will work properly. So the same here. So we have some issue, but because these are 2 different ones, so once we create one, so it only create these 2 handrails. So if I create another one for this, okay, so now we have yeah, we still have some issue here. So but it looks like we can quite easily fix this. I'll just Control C, copy, edit path. I'll just delete this, and finish. So at least we have this one, and then I'll just paste in the same place, edit path, delete this, finish this. Okay, so now we have everything, right? So yeah, so of course here it will be a break. Actually, let me try. So I don't think it will work, but we can always try, right? So 20 and down to here. So now, because I don't think one handrail can be attached, can be placed onto 2 different elements, to different stairs. It's either this one or this one. So yeah, so it looks like we have to do 2. Okay, so I'll just Control C, edit path, and I'll delete this bit, finish, and paste in same place, edit path, delete the other part, finish, and then attach new host to this. So this is how we can do it. Okay, so I think that's it. So yeah, of course we will have some issue with this. So if we do separate, do 2 different stairs, we won't be able to create a handrail like this one. Okay, so finally, let's just explore. I'll just copy this to here. Let's explore. Let's try to see if we can use different type of stairs. So because these are 2, I believe this one's okay. This one can be changed to any stairs without any issue, I believe. So you can see precast, cast in place, all good. But only the issue is this bit. So because I don't think this will work. So we can only create this landing, but not the first 2. So I think at this stage, if you really want to create this stairs with this cast in place stairs looking, so monolithic stair looking, you probably can just use model in place. I think that sometimes we have to do model in place because it's easier to just do model in place than trying to work out why it won't work. So yeah, so okay, so let's just I think even with model in place, I will also have maybe this one's I think it's my favorite option. So it's a hang on, this one's not really, because we can't use that cast in place stairs for that bit. But yeah, I think for me, I prefer to have 1 stairs and then maybe use model in at least one. Have okay, I'll show you. Sorry about the confusion. I think this will be my favorite option. So first, so 1 stair, 1. Okay, so this can be helpful for my railing. Okay, then I will probably just simplify these stairs. Oh, sorry. So just clean this. Right. So now, because it's just 1, it's very easy to. So for example, if you need to like tag, if you need tag, do the arrows, right? No problem. And if you need to the numbers, and very simple, right? So it's something like that. Okay, because it's just one single, and in the floor plan this is enough. I think this is good enough. And then for the locking, because this one's is assembled stairs, so it's only so treads and a riser. I think can we do structure? Okay, so it's only these, but yeah, so I think you can probably just do modeling place. You can now, I think now you can do modeling place. For example, you want to add some structure, so yeah, I think it's hard to choose. So casting place is good, but then because we can't, maybe we can have half of the stairs as modeling, but yeah, it's I don't know. What do you think? I will probably just use this one and then just call it a day. I don't know, but let's just quickly model in place. So I'll use this because once you have some model there, it can be quite easy, right? So I'll use the stairs. Okay, so let's just do extrusion. So first we're going to just pick a surface here, and then okay, so for example, I want to just pick a couple line, yeah, maybe and do another one. Maybe just do this one, trim, because I want to find this line. And usually there's a like a there's a like depth for structure, right? So usually 150 should be okay, and then depending on, so that's it. And then you just need to pick all these lines, but you can also just copy and paste, right? CC copy, and then okay, so that's all. Finish at this point. So drag this down, offset the thickness of the landing. So let's just make it 150 as well, and then trim all the way up. And then okay, so because we know that's one meter, so if it's not 1 meter, it's -1 meter. So that's it. That's some like a structure we can have under this, and then this bit can be different, but it's okay. So it looks like we have some gap here. That's because we need to have some railing work properly, but for this yeah, actually I'm not sure. So do we need to, I think it's more, maybe we should just draw this down to ground floor level. Oops, sorry. It's a bit hard to pick that. Maybe pick this edge instead. Yeah, so go down. Is that too much like a structure? Yeah, I don't know, but anyway. So yeah, for that, I think for that's fine. And then for these two, probably then you need two extrusion. But yeah, that's fine. Let's just do another extrusion. I'll just set our plan this time to this surface, so we can just draw something like this. Okay, so maybe we don't need to that because we already have this. So maybe I'll use a line tool to, okay, so that's it. And then we can use a line AL to pick this surface, and then we can just pick this one, so we have something there. And then same, I'll just Control C and paste in same place, drag it down, align, and here, align here, and then last one along this surface to here, and then we can just join them all together, and then that's it. That's just like a single piece of like a structure, right? So if I hide these stairs, so we have this yep, I think that's it. So for the like a solid monolithic looking, so we can just do it model in place. And for floor plan, I think this is more critical, because on floor plan we want these annotations, we want this stair path, all these things. So, and sometimes we need to adjust the height or just the depths, and then we just need to do this again. So yeah, so that's it. Okay, so let's just try see if I can place railing. Just click on that. Oh, good. Okay, so this is it. I think this is my preferred method, but yeah. So if you have any if you find a better way, if you find a better solution, like you can create these stairs, just use single like a monolithic cast in place stairs without any issue, please let me know. Okay, so yeah, stairs is quite tricky, so it's a bit, sometimes it's hard. So for example, this, so if you ask me, oh, this is broken, can we fix it, I won't try to. I would probably okay, so let's just model in place instead, because it's just not a easy tool to use. So yeah, model in place it's not bad. Anyway, so that's it for today. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.